What is up, guys? Tommy here with Sinister Productions, bringing you guys another vlog. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm actually doing something on the Skyline that I have actually been super excited and been wanting to do since I've lowered it, or since I actually got it, because we all know stock rod height, stock wheels kind of suck on most cars at least. But this is how she sits right now. If you've been watching the vlog, you all know she has the Fortune Auto coilovers set on the car right now. So as of today, I actually picked up a set of wheels for this thing. I'm super happy to get them. Took a small road trip today, picked up a set of wheels for this car. I cannot tell you how I am excited. A lot of you guys are gonna probably assume and be like, why are you excited about them? I'm super stoked to put them on the car because it's going to give the car a super clean factory. It's still a factory look, but super clean. Now the wheels are used, so they're not perfect. I actually got to clean them up. All right, so I am super stoked to show you guys what I got for the car. These are something I've been wanting for a while for this car, in particularly. I know a lot of you guys are going to be like, oh, wait a minute. That's not that special, but I'm keeping in mind that the wife will be owning the car. Not to say that she's gonna do it. I don't want to put a super expensive wheel on this car that she could take the chance of curbing up. It's still a nice wheel, don't get me wrong, but I wanted more of a clean factory style look for her. And this gives the car a little bit of flavor, holding true to the car what it is as a Skyline, and actually making something look really nice on it and breaking up this silver on silver wheel. Plus, the wheels that are on it now are a plus 40. That's right, plus 40 offset, which means these things are sunken in like crazy. I mean, look how bad that is. I mean, that is like major gappage going on. I did get something to kind of poke out here to make sure it's nice and nice and flush and everything. So lo and behold, I'll show you right now. These are factory R32 Skyline GTR wheels, not GTST wheels. I know the pattern looks very similar. The 5-star pattern is almost identical. These are a plus 30 offset, which gives it a little bit more of a lip, and actually has a more concave to it. So, and this is a wider wheel. This is an 8-inch wheel versus a 6.5. So it's got a lower profile tire, and it's also a wider wheel. So it actually looks very clean, and it's more like a bronzy gray, which I really love. And I honestly feel like these wheels are gonna make this thing really clean looking. It's clean as it is, but I mean, it just doesn't, it looks too factory-ish, I guess you could say. I know these are factory wheels, but I think that these are gonna set this car off a little bit more than those. So I've already got them washed up. I've already got them cleaned up. I'm actually gonna go ahead and throw them on the car right now. They do need tires on them, on two of them, but I'm gonna go ahead and get all 4 of them replaced soon, probably within the next week or two. 2 of them, one of the fronts, I believe, they're like off-brand Otsu bullshit tires, cheap anyways. So what I'm gonna do is, one of them actually has tire chunking really bad, where chunks of the tire is actually pulled out of the tire. And then also 2 of the back ones are like slam out, like completely wore out, almost down to the wear bars. So I'm gonna probably throw tires on there this week coming up. I'm gonna put them on the car. I'm anxious to get them on the car, anxious to get this video out to you guys. By the time you guys actually see this vlog, it's probably already got tires on it. So, all right, hold tight. I'm gonna go ahead and throw them on the car, and we're gonna see what it looks like. All right, so you guys already saw what it looked like with those anorexic ass wheels on it before. Check it out now. This is just one side done. And actually, I can go down a little bit more on the coilover, just a touch. Probably another 1/2 inch. Same in the back, but look how much better and flush that is. That little bit changed that car. That little bit of wheel, that factory wheel, made that look 10 times better. I mean, even from back here, looks amazing. I've only done the one side so far. I just got these off here, and then once I get the get the other side on, I'll probably take it for a little bit of a drive. But so far, I am super stoked how that's turning out. I'm gonna go ahead and throw the other ones on here ASAP, so that way I can take this thing for a ride. All right, here it is, guys. I've finished it up. I put all 4 wheels on the car. I'm absolutely in love with how it looks. I know a lot of people are probably like, oh, why didn't you do aftermarket wheels, blah, blah, blah. Why didn't you go with a bigger wheel? I actually love the way the factory GTR wheels look. They've got just the right amount of concave. They come flush with the quarters and the fenders. I mean, it fits the car perfectly, in my opinion. There is my R32 Skyline GTST with the GTR wheels on it. And like I said, I'm absolutely in love with how that thing looks. I mean, it is, granted, it probably could use, I could probably adjust the coilovers down just a little bit more now to lower it down just a touch. I'm probably gonna wait until I get the rest of the body kit on the car, the GTR body kit, the side skirts and the front bumper, because I mean, just that angle right there, I don't know if you guys can see it, just how concaved that is with a little bit of a lip there. Love that. But I'm going to be picking up new tires for these wheels probably in the next week or so, so I'm not worried about that. But I'm like, it really looks 10 times better just with a GTR wheel on it. I mean, look how flush that is. That is like perfect. Hope you guys like it. That's going to be it for this vlog. Like, subscribe, hit the bell. We will see you guys on the next one. Later.
Everybody wanna play me, everybody wanna change me. Nobody ever gonna phase me. No fake accounts like KD. Doing the shit that I want to. Nobody I'll ever run to.